Hi guys, this is the Kenmore Ergo 3. It's a sewing and embroidery machine. When I went to use, I realized the feed dogs is not go up, so that can sew. What I did is take the needle plate, and the bobbin, and I start to go around in this area, and you see how dirty it is. This can be cleaning with a little alcohol and one cotton. I'm going to clean it after, but I start to do with my vacuum, mini vacuum is that, and I get there a lot of thread, but look in the big one there. You see there? It's there. Yes. So how I find? Because I needed to do with my hand wheel like that until I can catch. Oh, there are things there. So if this is in the way, you can really sew because the fig dose is stuck there. So now we're going to make the surgery. I'm trying to take this, but it's stuck there. It's stuck there. Coming. I already get a lot, and I really use it. Here, there you go. For that, my machine not working, was stuck in the feed dogs. Oh, so this is how cleaning, guys. After you put a little alcohol to cleaning all this part, a little oil here, put your needle plate, and working very well again. I hope that helped you. Well, I showed you how to start this. So I'm going to put, but this is not ready cleaning. You can clean it all with a little cotton so soft like that. You see how had the dirty. After you cleaning very well with the cute go there. Okay, wait a little. I put alcohol in my hands for not put a lot, and pass for the places like that. This is what I do with all my machines. It's really good for after. Can I put a little oil? But before you need to clean it, no messy the oil with all the parts of the machine. There are something here. There are a lot of dirties there. I'm going to use another. Be so with that. It's not really for be strong. This is a maintenance you can do by yourself. It's not really difficult. You need to remember how you take this bobbin case. The bobbin case go like that. Always this part go to the right side, and these two get in front like that. This one need to be in this point. This little how I say lash, the little lash here is going to stop by this point. So you first go under and after let that go. And you see how firmly get there? It's in the point. Now, because I move the wheel, hand wheel, now I'm going to move the hand wheel, and that's it ready. The wheel. My husband is in here, tell me.
Did you oil it? Like you said you would?
Oh, he want to show how oil to, okay. I come back, and just I put a drop of oil. So, use always the sewing machine oil. In this point, use one drop. It's all, you see, there are a little outside, clean a little, because I don't need more. Okay. That is amazing how they are reading. Now again, you see that can go like I tell you, move the wheel in your side until that get in the point, in the position. Now this one need to be cleaning also over here. Clean very well. And ready. Put in position. Now put that screw there. This screw is a little, it's not really easy to, but well, this machine is precious. It's beautiful how she works. So, no, it's not working yet, guys. But well, this here, no, I don't think so. See, this need to be in 3. This in 3. Maybe I need to work more in the part. Not yet. Okay, after I made second part for see how I'm going to solution about the feed dogs. Okay, guys, thank you for watch. And then, it's for cleaning all this part of the bobbin. And we continue. And thank you for watching me. And God bless you. And continue pray for this country. Bye.